Hey everyone, Zachary Allen Greist here. Today I'm going to be mounting a dishwasher to a quartz countertop. This will work if you have a granite countertop as well. I'm out here at a property and the work was asked to be done on a inspection. They found that it wasn't mounted and they want it fixed per the repair report. So we're out here today. We're going to do it. It's a really easy, quick fix. I'm going to show you how it's done. I got all the tools in the back. I got the wife's car. So we don't have a truck. So we're just loading all the tools. So I'm going to show you how it's done. Really simple. Coming up today. All right, everybody. So today we are installing this metal bracket to the underside of the counter. It's going to help bracket the dishwasher so it doesn't move or tip or anything like that when it's running. So today I'm going to show you how to do it. The reason for this is because I'm actually a realtor. So this house is a listing of mine and the buyers came back with a laundry list of really simple items to fix. And instead of paying an appliance guy or a handyman a couple $100 to do it, this part on Amazon is literally $15 and I believe 84 cents. So I'll link it below, but you can also search on Amazon, type in dishwasher under counter bracket, something like that, something to that effect, and you'll find this part. It's about 24 inches long, so make sure you measure your space for your dishwasher first. And I'm gonna go ahead and show you how it's done. So here's the dishwasher right here. The reason they want this installed is because here are the original brackets that come with it. And there's the other one. And they have not been secured to the counter. And securing it to the counter, I wouldn't even recommend it because one, it's gonna be a pain in the butt to drill through quartz. This is quartz countertop. Two, you could damage the quartz. And three, if somebody pulls on this or whatever else, I would hate for you to damage your countertops. So, and if you see, it's not bracketed, so it moves a lot and will come out of the cabinets when it's running and everything else. So we're gonna install this bracket and it's roughly gonna go up here all the way across and we're gonna have to fold these tabs over. When I ordered it on Amazon, here was the part. Here was the bag that it came in, just so you guys can see it. And then it came with some screws. Make sure you buy the one with the screws. It'll save you a trip to the hardware store. And then it also came with instructions. Everybody loves instructions, thank goodness. Words and pictures. You'll need a drill. So I got my drill here, I got my corded drill, nice DeWalt drill. And then they want you to put in some sealant and waterproof caulk in this picture. So basically they want the caulk to go on these raised areas. So that way they're saying when the dishwasher is running, it's not gonna bang against the counter and it's gonna be a better fit. So that's where they want those. And then if you see these raised edges, when you install this bracket, these are gonna go up towards the counter. And then this side is gonna face down the flat side because you're gonna put the screw in from underneath and screw up, and those are gonna help catch it and hold it in place. And then these tabs, you're gonna bend them down, and they're really easy to bend. And you bend these down, screw this in the sides of the cabinet, and then it'll be installed. So I'll show you guys what to do. All right, so I'm trying to do this. I don't have anybody to film for me, so you're gonna have to bear with me. But basically, I open the dishwasher, and then I see those brackets that were originally on the dishwasher. You might not have those. If not, you can order those on Amazon as well. Those shouldn't cost you more than $8 to $10 for the pair. But basically, I'm just trying to size it up, measure it, making sure that I'm pretty much in the even in the middle. So now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna bend both sides. So that way it fits in here. All right, so I'm gonna bend this side. Oh, just kidding. It's not that hard. Just gotta bend it. And the other side. Bend. Okay, now we're gonna slide this back into the dishwasher where it previously was. All right, so I bent the tabs and now this whole bracket is in. So now all I have to do is take the screws that they gave me, these screws right here. There's 4 of them that need to go into the cabinets, and I would use the ones they provided because they're tiny screws and you want too long of a screw to mess up your cabinet. So use these tiny little ones. They have 4 that go into these sides, 2 on each side, and then they have 2 more that will go from these metal brackets and from the original metal bracket and connect it to the new mount that I'm installing. And I'll show you once it's screwed in. All right, so here we go. I got my drill. Put it up here. Going nice and slow so I don't split the cabinet wood. Okay, I got that one in mostly. Now I'm gonna do the other without the camera so that way I can drill them in straight. All right, so I got all 4 screws in the bracket now. Another little tip, make sure when you're putting in this piece, make sure the holes aren't too close to the edge because you're gonna be more than likely to miss or split your wood. So make sure it's right in the middle. I went ahead and sealed everything and caulked to the top like the instructions said. So now we're screwed in. So now the last step, all I gotta do is use the screw provided, these little tiny screws, and I gotta go from this bracket up and just connect it to any one of these holes, doesn't matter. Just make sure your dishwasher is even and in the middle of the cabinets and there's no major holes. So I'm gonna pull the dishwasher forward, screw in this little bolt right here, and then we'll be good to go. All right, so now I screwed it in right here. Make sure these brackets don't extend beyond the counter. There's plenty of room. Put my finger, plenty of room, doesn't extend over. Nice with the cabinet on the side, and we're good to go. I'm also going to show you the instructions so that way if you need to read them and they don't come with it, you'll have time. So feel free to freeze this right here if you want to read the instructions. It's very simple. They have steps that if your counter isn't installed yet, that you don't have to bend those tabs and you can just install the bracket. I use the installation steps for the counters that are already installed, and then it goes through here. And then I'm going to show you all these instructions. There you go. So if you enjoyed this video, then feel free to watch me trying to grill in the rain when a flash storm came out of nowhere and was downpouring on me. All right, so you may be wondering why I have a pink flowery umbrella. The wife wanted me to grill out and nobody checked the radar. And so here we are, we're grilling and it's downpouring. And this was words of encouragement, the umbrella. She said, "You got this." So here I am cooking. I'm gonna flip around and show you what it looks like. I got this. Grilling in the rain. But anyways, guys, Zachary Allen Geist here. Subscribe to the channel, help me out. Let's get those subscribers up.